like a lot of chores. So stay tuned because I have a lot of chores to do as a mom, as a mother, and we're gonna start. Okay? We're gonna start right now. Like right now. Right now I need my sleep.